Basketball, you betcha. I'm back. It's the Daily Trainer, ready to give you what you need to succeed, guaranteed, for the game that you love to play every day, so you can give somebody some moves and have them going each and every way. Yeah. And so now we are looking at getting ready for a lot of basketball games. So in order to do that, you have to be in great shape. So we are going to start this thing off with a bang. We're going to dribble that basketball full court, and we are going to change a little bit of direction as we are going to switch hands, okay, as we're going down the court full speed, and then we're finishing those layups. Okay, we're going to go on the right side and do that. We're going to go on the left side and do that. We're going to go 3 times each. So just look at this as a full court sprint if you want to say it's part of the conditioning. Okay, we can definitely do that. And then we're going to jump rope after. Okay, so after the first set of the 3 layups that you're going to do on the right side, you're going to jump rope 100 times. And then after the 3 on the left side, you're going to jump rope 100 times. Then after that, we are going to do a little bit of zigzag dribbling. Okay, so we're going to go right, crossing over to the left, crossing over to the right, crossing over to the left again. Then we're streaking down that sideline, just streaking hard down that sideline. Okay, we're going to do this 2 times each, and then you're going to get me through the legs, then you're going to get me behind the back. Okay, so that is what we're doing. We're going to continue that motion on the other side so that we can push that basketball down the sideline with our left hand. Okay, then I know you want to make shots, so we're going to get right under the basket. Okay, we're just going to shoot first. Just going to make shots right off the glass, be consistent, make about 10. Okay, then we're going to form shoot a little bit. Okay, we're going to get right under the basket again. You're going to form shoot on the right side of that rim, in the middle, and then on the left side of that rim. Okay, if you're left-handed, there's a left-handed tutorial here where you're shooting right off the glass, nice and easy. Good form, being soft with your hands, and same thing with your right hand. Okay, so you can see it both ways. Now we are then going to do MIKAN layups. Okay, so after we do those MIKAN layups, just the regular ones, we're going to make 10. We are then going to work our layups in a U way, right? So we got them off the block, then we're going to go to the left side, then we're going to go to the right side again, then we're going to go to the left side, and we're just going to go back and forth, all the way till we get up to about the 3-point line. All right, and that's kind of what we're looking for, just finishing and being under the basket. All right, today we're not going to go through our layup series just because I want to get a couple more things in with the layups. Okay, got to work footwork again. So we're going to roll that basketball out. We're going to work our front pivot and we're going to work our reverse pivot. We're just going to go 5 times each side in each footwork scenario. All right, then you're going to give me 5 layups, right? 5 layups, strong layups from 5 different areas. And that's going to be the baseline, the wing, the top, the wing, and the baseline. All right, so we're doing all of that, and then we're going to come back. So basketball, you love that you're here. Love that you want to get better, and I love that you want to be the best version of you today as a basketball player. Go ahead and get some water. No free throws this time, but you will be shooting them when we get back. Let's go back at it again. Put that water bottle down and let's get right back to it. Okay, so now we're going to attack from the top. So you're just going to give me a nice little in and out. Okay, and we're attacking right away. Okay, then you're going to give me an in and out again. Now you're going to give me an in and out with the help at the elbow. Okay, you're going to give me a little bit of a misdirection. Then you're going to give me that same leg stop. Okay, you're going to give me a crossover at the top. Then you're going to give me a stop and go. Okay, at the elbow. So just those moves. Okay, we'll go through the legs too. And you're going to go left side and right side. Let's make 2 layups each move. All right, and let's remember we're trying to change speeds here. So that is kind of what the goal is when we're attacking the rim like that. We want to change speeds. Okay, it's very important that you have a different tempo in your game. All right, so now looking at shooting, because I know that's what you guys want to do, we're going to start with shooting it off the glass first. Okay, we're going to go on the right side. We're going to start on that block, making it easy. Then we're going to back up. Then we're going to back up. Then we're going to back up. Okay, you're going to make 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Then you're going to do the same thing on the left side. Okay, that should get your touchdown. That should get your same flow of consistency in hitting the same spot, knowing that you're doing the same thing. Okay, then we're going to go all around the world. Okay, we're going to go block, shooting that. We're going to go hash mark. We're going to go hash mark. as you can see right here on the video with the middle. Then we're gonna go around again, but you're not gonna go all the way back around. You're just gonna stay after you shoot that last shot on the block, opposite of where you started. All right, we're only gonna do that one time. Now, the next thing we're gonna do is our 3-cone shooting. So we got 3 cones at one level and then 3 cones at another level, all mid-range, right? We want to get those shots up. We want to make sure we're making those shots, and we want to make 3 at each spot. No crossover. I just want you to dribble up to that cone on the right. I want you to dribble up to that cone on the middle, and I want you to dribble up to that cone on the left. Then I want you to hit the spots right behind those cones, which is another right, left, and middle situation. Okay, so we're gonna knock those down. Then, yes, it's a lot today. It's a lot. We are going to go 4 spots. Okay, so now you're going to pull up at the elbow, pull up at the baseline, pull up at the elbow, pull up at the baseline. I want to make 3 at each spot. You're dribbling out of it each time. Everything is off the dribble, nothing off the catch. And after we work that, we are then looking to get into some more conditioning. And so with that conditioning, we're going to run 2 liners. Okay, I need those to be under 34 seconds. I know that's a lot, but you got to start pushing yourself, right? Remember, we talked about setting goals yesterday. That is the most important thing. What is your goal? How do you achieve it? And what are you doing to progress to get to it if you can't achieve it, right? So that's just what we're looking for right now. And I know what you're looking for after this run. You're looking for some water. So go ahead and get some, because I know what time it is. But guess what? You got to make 2 free throws to earn that water. So let's go to that free throw line and make those 2 free throws, and then go ahead and enjoy that delicious H2O. All right, and then be ready to come back, because we got some more for you. Oh yeah, I know that water is refreshing, but guess what? We're running a 17. Oh, fresh off a water break. Just hope you didn't drink too much, okay? So we're going left hand, okay, if you're not a left-handed person. And then we're going right hand if you're a left-handed person. We want to work on that weak hand, and we want to make sure we're going sideline to sideline, and we're trying to get it at a good speed. I'm not going to time it because we're dribbling, so it's going to wear you out a little bit more, but go ahead and push yourself, okay? What is pushing yourself? Well, you won't know until you try to go max speed, okay? And if you make a mistake with your dribbling, just regain that dribble and keep going, all right? So that's what I'm looking for, 117, and then we're going to shoot these 3s. So you're going to shoot the 3s off the dribble, right? So we're going right hand on the wing, right hand in the middle, right hand on the left side. Then we're going left hand on the left side, left hand on the middle, and then the left hand on the right side. I need you to make 3 of each. It's a lot. It's time consuming, and you got to get your own rebound. So that's gonna kind of be a way for you to get in shape, right? So that's the goal. And we want to be the best in shape. Never forget the goal, right? That is something that we can control, our effort and how in shape we are, okay? That's going to make us not necessarily the best player on the floor, but one of the better players on the floor. So that is what we're striving for. And then lastly, shooting some more 3s, which I know you guys love to do. We're going to go baseline to baseline, okay? So you're going to shoot 4 makes on the left baseline, and then coming across, you're going to make 4 on the right. Then you're going to make 4 at the wing, and then 4 at the other wing, all right? And that is how we are going to finish it up today, Basketball U. You know, I'm not even going to make you run. I'm just going to have you go to the free throw line. I'm going to have you make 5 free throws. But if you miss, I need you to do a couple push-ups for me. Go ahead and give me 5 push-ups every time you miss. So hopefully it's not 100 because you're not making any free throws because you're tired. All right? So one thing I do want you to remember is we're trying to push our limits, and we're trying to be the best version that we can be each and every day. And then I'm going to be here more and more as we continue and get new footage on the way. So be ready for that. And remember, someone's always working. Are you?